Don't fall for it. Don't. If this message is for you, you will know. Not every argument deserves your attention. Not every opinion deserves your response. The strongest thing you can do is to remain calm and keep moving forward. When your mind is calm, you're able to think forward, you're able to create, be able to keep learning. Silence is not weakness. It's the wisdom to know what deserves your energy and what doesn't. Choose peace, choose growth, choose to keep becoming who God is shaping you to be. Your calm mind is one of your greatest strengths. So protect it. It's like Toxic Dominance.